check out this home for sale in Burlington, North Carolina. This luxury home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and is filled with lots of upgrades. Enjoy the open floor plan with a first floor master, includes vaulted ceilings with skylights throughout the home, a large living room with a double-sided fireplace, and kitchen with granite countertops and a separate pantry. The master suite has a tub, shower and walk-in closet. Other features include 3 great-size bedrooms, a 2-car garage, and an enjoyable sunroom. This townhome has a fenced-in patio area, which is great for entertaining. Easy access to the highway, minutes to Chapel Hill, RTP, or the Triad. Beautiful woods at Grove Park includes a clubhouse, common area maintenance, and a pool.